Appreciate you, Toffee. Love George. Georgios. Well, Wayne Jerry. Yo, Wayne Jerry, congrats on the alpha payout, brother. That's it, man. See? I'm telling you guys, bro. Alpha payouts, so simple, bro. It's just that, bro. It's just... Alpha payouts, so simple, bro. Well, Wayne Jerry already got a payout. 3 days, bro. 3 days. 3 days. That's it. Everyone got a cut. Yeah, I got a haircut. Kind of fresh. Appreciate you, bro. I also added a light right there. That kind of helps the camera. Appreciate you, Wayne Jerry. I'm still like a little sick, but for the most part, see the fade on the side? There it is, bro. $2,400, close to $100, lost $1,200. Yeah, you over leveraged, brother. Wayne Jerry, did you get 1 account, 2, or 3 accounts? No, this is not a CISD on the daily. I wouldn't view this as CISD. You got 1? Exactly. So all you need to do now is just literally get another one and request a payout on that one. You know? Yeah, I got a haircut, guys. What, y'all never seen a man get a haircut before? What's going on? Oh yeah, 100% Toffee. 3K, 100%, bro. No, I'm not tripping, guys. I'm just playing with you guys. Today's the last day to enter the giveaway. We'll cover buys. There is no daily bias on Monday, bro. Just intraday bias. No one did. You know. Here, I'll give you guys my levels though. I'm gonna start waking up earlier, so you guys will see my levels earlier. Gotta start waking up earlier. I wouldn't look for anything before 9:30. How much you risk on your funded? Which one? 50K, 100K, 150 if we pass. Top step X. We'll copy trade those today. We got alpha. I guess we might as well. I can't really copy trade the alpha accounts. I guess I can just make this one my lead. And then just go back and add some. Today, listen, today once we minimize chat, that's it. Like chat's minimized and we're not playing around. Alright? Today, we're not playing around. I've been playing around too much. How do you take partial profits? Just market seller buy opposing to your trade. Appreciate you guys about the haircut. 50K. I risk I want to risk 200 per trade. That's the goal. Morning, brothers. Good morning, brothers. Oh shoot, I totally forgot about TikTok. New cut. Yes. Even if you were looking for TJF, it already met, bro. So You didn't meet on Friday, bro. How? We're almost at previous week equilibrium, bro. We are. We're almost at previous week's like OTE. Start from the top down analysis. See how you do it. There's nothing to do, bro. It's Monday. I do think we can go higher, but I'm still bearish this week. I'm gonna ideally I'm looking for shorts this week. Today we might not look for shorts, like we can look for a reversal, but you guys have to understand you can't just come every single day and be like, all right, daily bias, let's go. That's not how daily bias works, right? You're trying to predict high probability days when you have very clear information going forward, right? So for me, this week, I think we can trade lower. This September low, I think is a higher time frame objective. And these relative equal lows on the daily chart, I think is a high probability objective. So it doesn't mean every single day I'm going to look for shorts, right? That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying the best trades will form when we align towards this drawn liquidity, right? Now, what would make me, if we inverse this daily bullish fair value gap, maybe, or get like a really strong market structure shift here, then okay, maybe we don't. But we have FOMC on Wednesday. So if we have FOMC on Wednesday, right, then you want to save the majority of your daily bias after FOMC, right? Most of the interest is going to be saved till after FOMC. So right now, Monday, Tuesday, I'm going to focus on intraday objectives. And then come Thursday, Friday, it should be pretty clear. Let's see a 20 contract NQ short right now. You bored, bro? Appreciate you, buddy. You think we're going to take out news lows? Your sound, please? What does that mean? How to start to learn ICT playlist in order? Just watch 2022, brother. What's good, DFG? Appreciate you, Lone. I appreciate you, bro. What's up here? How much backtesting did you do in order to have this good strategy? I've backtested over 5,000 trades at this point. Not 5,000 trades, 5,000 days. 5,000 days. Not every day we took a trade, obviously. Why don't you trade London? Give me a reason. It's because I'm sleeping. Do you live on YouTube? Yep, I'm live on YouTube. By the way, everyone on TikTok, we're probably going to get banned at some point. Every time I go live, I get banned. So just know we'll be live on YouTube. I only have 600 days worth of data. Need to backtest more. I mean, it's all about conviction. I knew my model was profitable after a certain amount, but I still backtest. I'm never going to stop backtesting, right? I'm never going to stop. Why would I ever stop backtesting? Why do you sleep? I know. I guess I just need it, bro. I know. I'm different. I guess. For some reason, I just feel the need to close my eyes when it's nighttime and, fall asleep. How much do you think you should be risking for 50K eval? 1%. I'm always watching your live. Appreciate you, bro. Fresh paid. Appreciate you, Lucas. Bias. We'll cover bias in a little bit. Just let people join up, so I don't have to repeat myself. What the fuck is this? This is Nasdaq on the 4-hour chart. Thought you weren't trading. Why? No, I'm trading. The only day I'm not trading is Wednesday morning. YouTube link. GatieTrades. How much percent would you risk on a 25K? On any eval, I would risk 1%. That's just me personally, because I'm trying to get rid of the eval as quickly as possible. When I'm funded, I risk a lot less. I'm a lot more passive on my funded. I risk like almost a quarter of that, 0.25%, I guess you could say. Why don't you trade Dow Jones? I like Nasdaq better. The correlation between Nasdaq and ES is the best. So I have an advantage using those. Bias, we'll cover bias. Just give us some time. I don't want to have to repeat myself. Yo, listen, everyone, quickly. We're doing a giveaway in the Discord. You have literally like an hour or 2 hours to enter. All you have to do is join the free Discord, go to giveaways, put a thing on this post, and follow the 3 steps. It's going to announce a winner. So if you want to join the giveaway, today's the last day. You guys can do that. Gold on top, yeah, it doesn't matter. You can trade whatever you want. At the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. I think what's an other way to long to be a sell 4 hour fair value gap. Yep, I like longs the 4 hour CB today. I'll be looking for longs. Alpha Futures is banned in Philippines. That's okay. Get something else. This guy sent me $2 and he said LeBron. Bro, stop sending me money, bro. What's going on? What's going on? Did you trade yet, Toxic? You took a trade before 9:30 and you got stopped? Yeah. I wonder why. Euro odd sell? Sure. Why not? 115 people? Damn. Be popping, yo. Leave a like, bro. Leave a like. If everyone on YouTube is watching, leave a like. You still have the 150. Yeah, I wouldn't want to take the shorts, but if we got a nice short to like this level, that would be great. Because then we can get a nice long. But anyways, I don't trade pre-market. Nope, I never trade before 9:30. Very strict in my rules. What problem to go with? Alpha futures, then scale into Top Step, then probably scale into Tradeify or Apex or Take Profit Trader. That's probably the order you want to go with. Alpha futures, you'll get your payout first. So even if you hate them, you can't deny the fact that if you trade every single prop firm at the same time, Alpha futures, you're getting your payout first. So just trade Alpha futures first. Is Alpha my? No, they're not my prop firm. They're just the one I use first. Can you show us where the giveaway is? Giveaways in the giveaway channel, bro. Is trading possible on phone? Yeah, it's possible. Not ideal, but you really have to lock in. My Fund and Futures? Yeah, you can scale into My Fund and Futures too. It's not bad, actually. I put TopStep and My Fund and Futures like pretty much the same. I like TopStep a little more, but that's all. What do you think of order flow? What type of question is that? Yeah, you should be able to gauge order flow. Bias? I want to look for longs this session. Rank top 5. Rank top 5. You can't really rank top 5. Like my top 5? My top 5 for me, where I am right now personally, Alpha Futures, Top Step, My Fund and Futures, probably Tradeify, then Apex. That's my top 5. Alpha Futures will get you the quickest, easiest payout. It's the fastest one. Top Step's just really good and clean. I like Top Step. The only reason I'm putting Alpha first is because it doesn't make sense to do Top Step. Your payout, you have to get a buffer first. So your payout's gonna come later. So there's no point in doing Top Step first. They're both equally as good. Like both firms are. If anything, Top Step might have some slightly better rules depending on what type of trader you are. I like the Alpha rules, but it all depends. So in terms of the actual thing, but the payout rules on Alpha are just way better. Like that's not deniable, right? So if you're gonna trade a futures firm and you're looking to get payouts and scale, it only makes sense to get Alpha futures first, and then scale into Top Step, and then scale into whatever you want after. Why people trade futures when you can trade CME and use lots? I mean, you can trade lots if you want. Yeah, I like the futures delivery, but that's just me. Mine are LeBron. Why do all traders put the time and price on charts as seen pro? Just want to remind myself. In classic mono, can answer without IFEG formed. It doesn't have to be an IFEG. It can be a fair value gap. It can be a CISD, or it can be a breaker. Any PD rate that forms displacing back in the range, but does alpha affect LeBron's legacy? The giveaway, yeah, the giveaway's an Alpha Futures 100K account. Little dump at open, I'd say. Yep, that'd be nice. What's the bias? I want to align myself longs here. I want to see if this level get taken. I want to see Wednesday's high get taken. How many micros? You can't ask me how many micros. It changes every trade, bro. I would never use fixed amount of micros. You gotta calculate your risk based on where your stop loss is. All right, listen up, guys. Today, once we turn off chat, we're locked in the whole time. So, if listen closely. If TikTok stream crashes, it's because I got banned. I've gotten banned every single time I've went live at this point. I don't know why. But I got banned. So if I get banned on TikTok and you want to continue watching, I'm live on YouTube. Right? You can't get banned on YouTube. So if you want to join on YouTube, you can join. I have a disclaimer in the bio. I've been streaming every day for like 6 months. I haven't been getting banned. I think the only reason I'm getting banned is because people are spamming the ban report button, bro. I've done the same stream with the same bio. I went like 3 months without getting banned before. Yeah, I don't really care about NAS 100. Yeah, TikTok hates Discord, right? Weird. I want to look for longs, yeah. But I also don't mind looking for a short to these equal lows. I don't mind playing the range. Today's all intraday. Today and tomorrow are all going to be intraday objectives. What do I think will happen? I think we'll probably take out both of these objectives today. Yeah, I don't mind trading the manipulation. I have a model for that. As long as it aligns with my model. You're in shorts pre-market. Yeah, I like the equal lows here. I don't like holding pre-market trades because 930 could just. But all up to you. I'm not fencing today. Cool, cool. All right, we're locked in. All right. It took previous week's high, but I'm not too worried about. I don't do my analysis on US 100. I do my analysis on Nasdaq E-mini futures. The news wick on MQ is way bigger than NQ. Yeah, probably is. That's okay. I would do my analysis on NQ. All right, you guys know the drill. Cheapest firm right now. For EVA, like including activation fee or not. Some depends because Alpha's advanced account. If you don't pay the activation fee, then it's only 120 compared to what it'll be 200 with other firms' activation fee. I guess my fund of futures is pretty cheap, the 50K starter, but I don't really like those rules. All right, you guys know the drill. We're minimizing chat. If you have any questions, you can ask them. Don't expect me to answer them right away or in the near future. I don't like to trade with chats open, so I've minimized chat. We're gonna lock in, follow the model, see what happens. We set up all the accounts to trade. At the 100K funded, 250Ks. So yeah, we're trading on 250K funded, one 100K funded, and one 150K eval, and another 50K eval. That's what we're trading today. I'll be trading on my left monitor for everyone who doesn't know. All right. I'm not going to take this, but you could short this, like just click sell now and hope the volatility just takes you to the sell side. I don't trade like that, but we can watch this right now. Looking at these equal lows, just because order flow has been bearish. Your opening range gap's also lower. This is where we closed. This is where we opened. This is why I don't like to take trades right at 9:30 or going into 9:30, because this happens all the time. You just get like this could just spike up if it really wanted to, and there's really nothing you can predict or say about it. See, yeah. Are the shorts invalid? No, they're just 9:30 volatility. It's like trading a news candle, pretty much. I like that wick. We're locked in, so I kind of want to wait to align myself long. I don't want to really chase a short here. I mean, we could. We really could. This is not a bad setup for shorts. We can see it, I guess. Maybe if we get a bullish fair value gap and inverse it or something, we can catch a nice short to the equal lows and then catch a long after. I don't mind something like that. Definitely do not mind something like that. What's the candles looking like? 30 points, 40 points. All right, not bad. I want to see this fair value gap get put in. This could be like the most textbook. Could be like the most textbook short ever. Just straight. Short-term low, short-term high, dump to the equal lows. Let's see if it forms. 5-minute OB, 5-minute fair value gap. This is first presentation. Like we'll get S&T at the highs there. Damn, I hope we don't just rip all the way to the Wednesday high. Kind of wanted to take that long myself. Yeah, I mean that would suck. Because I really like this objective long, the Wednesday high aligning with the weekly CIBI, 4-hour CIBI. We have S&T at the highs. We'll see if it holds. It may not. This could just be a breakaway gap. Price is going to touch this fair value gap and pump. Something like this is very possible. I think it just stays bullish, but I mean, let's just see. No point in predicting. We just kind of see what happens here. My instinct tells me it just goes higher though. Wouldn't take this fair value gap. Maybe we can take the OB off of it or something, but can't really long this. This doesn't make sense, obviously. Like, I'm not going to put the stop loss here. It's too risky. I put the stop loss at the low. And, like, what's the point of even taking the trade? We also don't even know if it's going to take... It could still engineer these equal highs, take out sell side, and then reverse. I would love to see that personally, because then we can catch a good risk reward. But we'll see how this forms. The only thing I'm confident in is that Wednesday's high and this 4-hour CB is going to get touched. So, potentially these equal lows later as well. Looks like we're just going to print higher. Probably it's best to just align yourself with your bias. The higher probability setup is always the better one. So this is your first presentation. Here's Wednesday's high. There's a 4-hour CB. We're going to have to wait for more price action to form now if I'm going to take a trade short. Obviously, we can't just short this. See how high this wants to trade. No, which that's actually trading into this. We have a big SMT there. Wow. ES will probably take out this high right here and then trade even higher to these levels. That's what it looks like. So I do think we go a little higher still. Definitely think we can go higher on ES. Just so everyone knows, if you're in the stream right now, this is your last chance to enter the giveaway. There's literally an hour and a half left before the giveaway ends. So if you want to follow these 3 steps, enter the giveaway in the free Discord. It's free. That would be your last chance. Watching this fair value gap. Want to see how price moves inside of it. How's stock market doing? Okay, another green day. Not bad, not bad. Well, green for now. How's AMD doing? Man, I wish AMD paid dividends. So we can watch how this forms. We're forming structure to potentially put in a CISD here. Because this is the one entering the fair value gap, so it's valid. But we'll see. I mean, like I said, I think ES can reach higher. I don't see us forming any continuation model anytime soon, so we're just going to simply have to wait. Let me quickly check the economic. I don't think we have news at 10, right? Yeah, just 8:30 news, and then yellow folder. So, yeah, looks like we might just pump one-sided for now. But we'll see. I'm watching this fair value gap. This is a key fair value gap because it's the one entering the 4-hour. So if we were to inverse this, it means we start wicking the 4-hour and Wednesday's high and the buy side here, say on the 15. But like I said, it looks like ES is going to reach higher. And then maybe then we can look for something lower. or look for a continuation higher. We also have the weekly SIBI, which we haven't talked about yet, but this is a potential objective for the week. So we might trade higher this week until we get to the weekly SIBI, or at least, after that, then we can see what happens. But the weekly SIBI is a potential objective for sure. So we'll definitely keep that in mind. Weekly SIBI could be an objective. I still want to see. I think we could come lower just because we haven't. Usually we'll see some sell side. If it doesn't happen in the morning session, then I probably will trade lunch and look for that move lower. Key is just to stay patient, wait for your setup. I know my setup's not forming anywhere here, not anytime soon. So just stay patient in that sense. See if ES wants to take out that high. So we're looking at this level on ES. Wednesday's high on ES. So let's mark this out. Wednesday high on ES, and then you have 4-hour SIBI low. And then we'll just mark it out like this actually. Always wait till 10 a.m., right? 10 a.m. could give us a reversal too, potentially. Because we're expanding pretty far. Didn't really give us an entry either. That's why I don't like shorting pre-market or trading pre-market. If you're not on the Discord yet, last chance to join the giveaway. What's a SIBI? Bearish for value gap? It's a sell side imbalance. How to enter the giveaway? Just go to the giveaway section, read the 3 steps, move my stop loss to my take profit. Nice, bro. I'm done for the day. Didn't catch the long. Yep, that's okay. If that's your reason to be done, that's totally fine, bro. How much you down year to date? What? I'm up on the year. I have not taken a trade yet, guys. See, at 50% on the 4-hour. I'm more focused on the levels on ES, but yeah, you could look at that. You catch that long? No. Do you not trade Fridays? I do trade Fridays. Waiting to catch 4-hour CRT. Good luck with that, brother. Nope, I don't trade Gallo. Trade NASDAQ. Both thinks he's sneaking, copying ICT's Telegram chart. ICT's been using this chart since 2016, literally before 2016, bro. How do you trade both funds and EVA at the same time? How do you set different risk? You can't really. You just kind of have to switch tabs. Yes, I am Muslim. All right, let's focus back up on the charts here. Yeah, so I still think ES can reach higher, so we could look for a protraction long. See if it gives it to us. I mean, we have a 5-minute forming any moment now. We can scan that. At this point, we'll just mark out this level and just leave it at that. So we're forming a 5-minute. I mean, we could look to take a long off of that 5 minutes if it gives us an entry model. And then maybe we catch a long to the Wednesday high on ES or something. Don't inverse this fair value gap yet. Let's relax a little bit. Let's move lower. we're trading above Wednesday's high. We can see us refer back to Wednesday's high and the 5-minute bullish, and then maybe see some bullish order flow. We can catch a continuation idea to the 4-hour SIBI on ES. I think that could be a good long. Would also be inside the macro. Relying on macros on a Monday is always a good idea too. So we'll see here if this forms. I want to see if this can trade lower into the 5 minutes. Trade lower into the 5 minute, we can scan for an entry higher. All right, there we touched the 5 minute. I want to see, do we take out this short-term low? I would want to see us take out that short-term low. But if we just pump, then we miss the trade. Simple as that. I mean, if we get the inversion here, we could take a trade. It would be something like this. Maybe something like this. Targeting the 4-hour on ES. I'm taking better trades though. So ideally this comes a little bit lower. I want to see it really deep into the 5 minute. Maybe even touch the wick here or the OB. You want to see like a deep move lower because that's what induces liquidity higher. So if we really come lower here, then you know people might short this with their stop loss here, then we can see a nice continuation. That's the idea. So that's what I want to see. The ES wants to trade into the 5. Yeah, like I want this to like go like almost look like a short, you know? Yeah, I recommend alpha for people's first accounts. Okay, silver bullet, sure, why not? All right, there we took out that short-term low. Nice. I want to see a bearish fair value gap form here, and we'll take the inversion. We could also wick lower. That's totally fine. I don't mind that. Yeah, for now I'm still bullish. Inside that macro. I think the only thing that'll convince me to start looking for shorts is if we inverse the 5. I don't really trust this CISD right here. It's not even really a clean CISD. Okay, they were trading to the low of the 5. We're probably going to touch the first 5 minute as well. The lower 5 minute. So that's fine too. We can mark that out. Trading into the OB. ES is more bullish. We might have to consider taking a trade ES here, actually. Every time I trade ES, I regret it, but if ES is more bullish, it's more bullish. And it's like really more bullish this time. Yeah, we might have to trade ES. Really, man, ES risk is so stupid. We'll figure it out. Well, I guess NQ is more bullish. It's just we're retracing deeper on NQ. Even if we wanted to short this is just going lower anyway. So let's see if it gives us. gonna have to wait here. Let me see if we wick first presentation. First FEG could be a sniper entry here, but I don't do that. It's not my style. I'm watching this inversion on ES. Let me open up the micro ES here because it's the only one we can actually maybe trade. Okay, we inverse this. Trying to see what position sizing would look like for ES. Four micros on ES. We'll do 8 on the other account. So 4 and 8 or 3 and 6, something like that. We're just trading Q. We'll see. I like this long, to be honest. 50-point stop loss. Waiting for an inversion on ES. I never trade ES, but today might be the day we trade ES. Call it 3 and 6 micros. We get the inversion on ES. Have to wait for it to close. Yep, looking like an ES trade. I'm in. Let's open up the charts like this. I hate trading ES, bro. Now we have to do the screen like this. Okay. We have ES annotated. Okay. Why didn't it? I'm in a trade, but I can't see the position. What am I trading? We took it on NQ on this account. All right, that's fine. Whatever. Looking for the 4-hour city and Wednesday's high. So almost at Wednesday's high. Watching this BISI right here. Order flow looks pretty good. We inversed all the pre-ream arrays here. We did take out this high, starting to wick. But we still have the bullish fair value gap, so we'll see if that holds. A good continuation entry. Oh, there's a interesting. Hopefully we don't just go sideways here. We're like right there. Wednesday's high is literally right there. I'm not gonna partial there. Obviously, the risk rewards not there for us, and we're looking for higher. We could look to trail the stop after, but we'll see. This should form as a breaker as well, so we could look to trail the stop after we stab through, but we shall see. It's going really slow now, which I don't like, but order flow still bullish, so I'm not gonna adjust the position. We're forming a 15-minute bullish fair value gap right under us. NQ doesn't have a 15-minute bullish fair value gap, so hopefully we just continue higher. Yeah. We're like really going sideways since we've entered. Could be waiting for 10 a.m. Three minute, 2 minute, 5 minute. We touched the 10-minute, started trading higher. We do have the 15-minute lower. This is like my only skeptical thing is we do have the 15-minute lower. So we could take out this low and then reverse. I mean, if that happens, I'll probably just look for a re-entry. It is what it is. 15-minute form yet or no? It's still forming. We're getting real slow now. Real slow. I don't think I should close this trade. Like I'm debating it because obviously it's just consolidating, not showing me the initial signs of a good trade. But I still kind of believe in it. Picking up this short-term low. Oh, what the hell happened? It was looking, everything was so nice and quick. Now it's really slow. Hopefully we take out the short-term low wick, get the OB, trade higher, continue to the 4 hour. That would be nice delivery. Alternatively, if we're wrong, we come down into this 15-minute bullish fair value gap, and then deliver higher, which is fine if it happens. I'll just look for a re-entry probably. I'm okay with both scenarios, so I've like completely accepted the risk at this point. Also watching this fair value gap. Looks like we might trade to the 15. The 15 right here. Yeah, looks like we're going to the 15. We have to look for a long from there. Let this one hit the stop, but it's like definitely going. All right, we are out of that trade. I'm looking for this low, and we just look for another long from this low. There's a 15-minute bullish fair value gap here on ES. So M15 busy. We'll probably trade there. But waiting for this to touch the 15-minute busy. Wait, we can open up NQ here. So this is NQ. We touch the 15-minute busy. This ES. Perfect equal lows on that 15-minute. So I'm watching this fair value gap now. This is the one I'm interested in because this is the one that led to the touch of the 15-minute. So if we inverse this, that's when I'll look for a re-entry. It's so hard to copy trade all these accounts right now. We might just have to like not trade this 100K funded and just focus on the eval for now, and then once they're both passed, yeah, I think let's just do that. Yeah, sounds like a good idea. So watching this fair value gap, like I said, say on the 2-minute looks pretty clean. 3-minute, yeah, 3 minutes not bad as well. Price is really slow now. That's okay. We're watching first presentation here as well. Obviously also watching the sell side here. That could be a potential move. I'd be pretty surprised if ES doesn't take out Wednesday's high. I mean, we came just under a point away from it. You have to question this could be a seek and destroy condition. It's possible. Possible. It was looking good here though. It inversed every single fair value gap. I mean, that was a good trade. I would take it again. Inversed every fair value gap. Wednesday's high was right there. Inside the macro. We got the retracement. We got the inversion. We just had the wrong draw for that exact narrative. Just watching this fair value gap here. On the 2 minute, there's no volume imbalance, so I'm just marking it out like this. 2 minute Cibi. If we inverse this, we can get in. I want to see if this inverses. Or if we come get a deeper leg, which is okay too. Oh. We don't go too far. You have to wait for this candle's close. Minute on ES is pretty clean. We can use the 2 minute on ES as our inversion level. No inversion yet. I'm looking at the 2 minute on ES. I think that's the cleanest presentation there. I want to see if we inverse that. Nope, looks like we'll get another leg lower. We'll have to be patient here now. We'll see. Maybe we get the inversion now. Possible. It's not as clean because we already wicked through it, but if we get the closure, the trade idea is there. It'll be about, have to be a 2 micro trade, 2 MNQ trade. We're really choppy here. So we have to stay patient. No inversion. ES still has a minute on that 2 minute, so we'll give it a chance. So we have 4 micro trade on this account and then a 2 micro trade on this account. Delivering the 2 minutes a lot cleaner, but I'm skeptical here. We'll see how this closes. 30 more seconds. I wouldn't give it A+, but for it to come all the way here, we put in equal lows. Yes, that's true, but we did one tick on the same tick of the 15, and we got the SMT. So if we get the inversion, I don't want to hesitate. Looks like we will get it there. So we'll probably take this. I'm late on my entry, but take that there. This will be probably my last trade of the morning session. If this fails, I'll probably just call it there. Obviously, just don't have a good read at that point. But okay, we got in the trade. That's my stop. Trading this inversion. We're looking for the 4-hour SIBI on ES. And yeah, stop is the inversion plus 1 tick. 465. 465.5. 46.50. All right, let's see how this goes. So trading into the inversion. I want to see us close above it. I did not get the best fill. Oh my. It was a really bad fill. We got spread so hard. So far, good delivery from the 1 minute inversion. I want to see some speed here as ES approaches the Wednesday's highs. Yeah. So looking at this high, I want to see speed to take out this one, and maybe we get the 4-hour SIBI. These candles just got real slow. Nonetheless, it's a good trade. Can't complain. I want to see if we put in a bearish order block, bullish order block here, or if we just continue expanding. There's not much to read here. It's just really slow. Yeah, nothing much. Just want to see how this closes. So we took out the short-term low on ES. I don't see that forms SMT, or if, well, you can't see it. Or if we just go back into the range and we fail to expand. This low. It is starting to look pretty range-like. Wednesday's high is right there, though. I'd be pretty surprised if we don't, because that's 1, 2, 3 passes at Wednesday's high, all of which failing to take Wednesday's high. So I'd be pretty surprised if we don't take Wednesday's high at this point, especially after retracing into the 15. But we'll see. The way this candle's forming, looks like we may not. But I'm going to keep my stop where it is. I like my stop loss placement on this trade. That candle has no bottom. No bottom wick. Oh. If we do lose this, though, I probably won't take another one this morning, or probably today. At least not on the fundeds. So we'll see how this goes. But like 2 trade ideas. I guess it's the same trade idea, but we just like gonna range it, like fail it twice. Like kind of a red flag. Kind of a red flag. We got the short-term low there. Yes, we wicked it, but this is just very, very uneventful price action. Like, it's really slow. Definitely looks like conditions in which I've taken 2 losses before. Definitely looks familiar to me. But I don't want to touch the stop loss. I think that's the worst mistake. Again, this candle has no bottom wick. Oh, actually it does. It's just really tiny. This definitely looks like conditions I've taken 2 losses before it. Just ranging, not going to the objectives, staying high resistance in nature. Definitely a good day to de-risk. So 2 micros, only took 2 micros on the funded, which is still not really de-risking, because this fill is like, the candles are just huge. So 2 micros is actually full risk. So yeah, I mean, the higher time frame candles look decent, I guess you could say. The 5-minute traded down. We might form a 3-minute OB here. Maybe. Possibly. We'll see. Just high resistance. No fair value gaps being. It was so nice. Price action was so nice over here. Like a nice inversion, a single pass through, clean objective. And then it just kind of fizzled out. Which happens. It's a Monday. FOMC on Wednesday. We can't be too surprised. Inverse that 1 minute SIBI on a yes. Hopefully that is an indication of bullish order flow and not just us going right back into the range. Still agree. All right, we're getting some volatility now, some volume in the body. I don't want to stick this one through. Like, yeah, you could just close and be like, all right, it sucks. But is the stop safe? I don't want to see. I think we'll just let this one go. Maybe that's a bad decision, but I don't like manually closing trades. I kind of like accepting it, you know. Like I took this trade, you know, I'm gonna own it. I took this trade. This is my trade. I put the stop loss there. That's obviously stupid. Obviously, sometimes it tells you to close, you close. So we reinverse that fair value gap. There's not really much to read here. It's just high resistance in nature. It's gonna go to where it wants to go eventually. Yeah. That's pretty bad. No Trump today, no. Volatility's been pretty good recently, but yeah, this is pretty bad. If the volatility is good, it gives you the setup. Like, look at ES. Like, we got a nice setup, and then you enter off the setup, and it fizzles. Same thing happens. It's like they know. Taking out two short sets of short-term lows. Whoa. TP 4-hour SIBI on ES. Nope. Second trade. We lost the first trade. Your stop loss is too high. Maybe. What's up, Tails? How are you, brother? Fresh haircut. Appreciate you. Please make a video on how to trade AM and PM Silver Bullet. I already have a video on Silver Bullet. What am I targeting? Targeting the 4-hour SIBI on ES. But I want to watch how it delivers. Maximum 20 points. 20 points would make no sense here. I would have been stopped out like 6 times. What's for breakfast? What do you mean, what's for breakfast? Stop loss is It's like 40 points. 2 micros on the funded. Been short for 15 minutes. Not even bad, bro. I've been short pretty long. And there you are. We're out, guys. 2 losses on the day. I won't take anything else today, probably. Not probably. I'm not even going to take anything else. We're just going to sit here and watch the rest. We'll sit here and watch the rest. They were good trades. Can't complain. Can't complain. We're going to sit here and watch now. We'll see if it plays out. I still think it goes higher. Aren't you bulking? Yes. I'm going to eat a fair value have for breakfast. I still think this goes higher, but I don't think it's going to be too clean in delivery. I'm not sure how it's going to deliver there. Just very, very choppy sideways. It gave a nice setup. The setup just fizzled out. Bro, I told you. I wasn't even really, I don't know who you are, bro. I'm gonna sit here and watch this till like 11 a.m. Bro, TikTok chat doesn't even deserve to be open, bro. Fuck TikTok chat. Okay, I'm closing that shit immediately, bro. So many trolls. It's high resistance. There's no even FEGs created. I mean, there was a nice fair value gap here, small fair value gap there. It wasn't too bad of an entry model. Just yeah, high resistance conditions, which I guess you have to expect because you know FOMC Wednesday. Do you think I should close my short? Probably. Haters only come when you short. No, the haters are there when I win too. They just leave after I win. How many gem students are there? I think like 20 right now. Let's see if this low gets taken. Back to choppy markets. Hopefully this doesn't continue. Because I often take losses in days like this. That's probably my biggest weakness. Yeah, me too. Toxic, me too. One more shot at the long with first person face tap. Yeah, you can try that. You can try another shot at the long. It's not the worst. It's not the worst. I'm not gonna do it again because I'm not comfortable taking 3 losses. I'm happy with just 2. But you could look for. Yeah, we didn't break any rules today. Just did not move higher. You know, we were really close to Wednesday's high multiple times. We failed, and just seek and destroy. Not even seek and destroy. I would just view this as like this is just straight chop market. Just engineering liquidity on both sides. Take care, guys. Lost 2 trades. I was telling you yesterday how shit I am, but I'm happy because I didn't get most of it. Yeah, there you go, bro. That's not a good thing because you're over leveraging. I'm up 4K right now. Y'all have no room to talk. Bro, you're so weird, bro. How much you up on the 50K now? Let's see. We're up a whopping $110 on the 50K. On both 50Ks. And we're up, or we're down 600 on the 100K. I like how you walk away. I'm just not comfortable taking another loss, you know? What model forms? A protraction model. 2 protraction models formed. Yeah, I can show you guys the trades. First trade was this inversion. Say it was something like this. This one was inside the macro. Second trade was this inversion. Something like this. It was targeting, my TP was on ES. I was aiming for a TP on ES. Don't worry about them, Ali, bro. Like literally, TikTok so many trolls, bro. If you're really here, like locked in, I would join the YouTube stream. It's a lot better. How much you down? We're still up on the funded. I switched YouTube to TikTok. Comments are awful. Yeah, man. TikTok sucks. There's first presentation. Wouldn't the 950? Oh, thanks, bro. Wouldn't the 955 S&P even consider PS when lower not higher before the first trade? No. SMT isn't an indication of anything. It's a confirmation tool. You're still in the trade, bro? Where's your stop loss, bro? Why can't it be reversal with bias and bearish? Yeah, it can be if you're bearish. I just wasn't bearish. I was bullish. Passed the mostly comment today on the breakout early. Needed 30 left. Nice, bro. Long it now, and I'm not gonna take another trade, guys. But I can sit here and outline where I would. If you guys want me to do that, I can do that. I wouldn't take anything here. There's no way I'm about to take another trade after seeing this guy. There's no way. TikTok traders are all 900% monthly rentability. Are all hitting on the chat. Huh? What are you talking about? Should I look for shorts? I mean, if you didn't take a loss, you could look for still a high probability trade. I would trade lunch. We're down 350 on the funded, on the 50K funded, and we're down 600 on the 100K funded. Trading is patched. It's not patched, guys. It's a high resistance day. That's all it is. They are kids. No, don't worry, bro. That's why I don't trade with chat open, bro. What do you mean you were targeting ES? Like people asking what's my take profit level? I was aiming for this on when ES hit this level. I was gonna close my Nasdaq trade. That's what I was doing. You guys don't have to send. You don't have to send gifts, bro. I'm a grown ass man, bro. I'm not. It's a loss, you know. We were on a nice ass win streak before this. Why you're bullish? Wednesday's high on ES. We got a 5-minute liquidity at 968. Then we reverse. Possible, yeah, it's possible. Definitely possible. I think it's gonna happen in lunch. The move will probably happen in lunch or PM. It doesn't look like it's gonna happen now. How do you guys keep yourself to say ticks, not the amount of money? Go to here, go to trading, change it to ticks. Don't spend it all in. Who's your mentor? I learned from ICT on YouTube and a lot of back testing. Red day it happens, I'll go short. Yeah, you can go short if you want. I wouldn't let this fake you out. I'm in Saga, bro. Yeah, maybe something in the afternoon. I probably won't trade it though. I'm not comfortable taking 3 losses. 2 is usually my 2 losses is my max. It's not really 2 trades, it's 2 losses. 2 losses is like my max. I just know myself. If I take another loss, I'm gonna go full tilt mode, you know. So like 2 is my. I'm happy. $400 on. We took 2 trades. They were both protraction models. In hindsight, I wouldn't really do anything differently. I mean, it was a good trade. Like at this point in this trade, this is looking pretty good to go higher, especially when you have a previous day high still open. So I'm definitely not mad about this one. We retraced. We hit OTE, a good retracement leg. This one failed. Second trade, this time we take out the short-term low. ES touches a 15-minute bullish fair value gap, and we get a nice expansion higher. Again, you could argue like, okay, this took too long to inverse, so maybe we just start to consolidate. But they were both good trades. OTE is like Fibonacci retracement. But like it was looking good. Like we hit OTE and everything. I don't really use OTE, but viewing this as a retracement like makes a lot of sense. See, I really wouldn't trade the morning session anymore. I'll sit here until like 11 and see what happens, but OTE, it stands for optimal trade entry. It's just an idea, like if price is going to retrace and continue, that is a good amount. That is a good number for it to retrace and continue from. optimal trade entries. With the fib, what percentage of the OTE? It's these percentages: 618, 705, 786. You could look for protraction short, but like I really wouldn't. I have no idea. I mean, yeah, like right now, this drawn liquidity seems pretty high probability, but I really wouldn't. I don't know how you can even find a protraction short that's high probability here. Yeah, we took 2 losses today. What does that even mean? I'm still in a buy. Should I take it out? You're still in a buy, bro. What's your stop loss, bro? Not a bad day at all, bro. Keep killing it till the rest of the week. Yeah, there's not much I could have done differently here, to be honest. So I'm not too mad about it. It's not like I missed anything. I will say one thing. We definitely could have closed that second trade if I wanted to. Because we were saying it, like, we can close here. It might give us an opportunity. But I said I'm going to hold it, and we were wrong, you know? Nope, YouTube and TikTok have the exact same. PA is so bad right now. This is a pretty difficult PA. So definitely will journal it all. What's your trading strategy? You trade power 3. Happy I shorted. Nice, bro. Proud of you. Yo, stop telling me gifts, bro. I don't want to get. Yeah, stop telling your mom. That comments trade demo. Don't worry about them, bro. What trade did I take? I went long off this inversion. Protraction model long. I also went long off this inversion. Same exact trade idea for both trades. Continuation longs. Did you ever watch GatieTrades? I watched his videos. Can you show us how to journal? Yes. You took 2 losses, 500 each. That's okay. It all depends how much you're comfortable losing, right? Don't risk 500 and take 2 trades if you're not comfortable risking losing 500 in 2 trades. So I'm just comparing me. I took 2 losses as well. Took 2 longs, both losses. I risked $200 on each trade. So we're down 400 on the day on the funded. I'm pretty comfortable with that, you know? Pretty comfortable with that. Would I long here? I mean, does it meet my model criteria? Yeah, if we get a CISD here, you know what, let's call it the breaker. If we get a breaker here, yeah, you can long. Would I right now? No, I wouldn't. You're up? Nice, bro. Amazing. Do you place your stop where your trade is invalid? Invalid 100% every time. Just a question, why do you even sell something if you're already profitable with trading? What do you mean? I don't understand your question. Always where it's invalid. Always where it's invalid. We can set up the journal here. Wait, what your stop goes beyond your $200? Well, then I have to risk less, bro. I wouldn't let it go over. Then that's bad risk management. After you pass 150K funded, how much is it? It's $150 all accounts, brother. Micro and E-mini. They're both E-minis. So micro E-mini and the NASDAQ E-mini. The micro is just cheaper. So it's 1/10 of the risk value. 1/10 of the risk value, my brother. Alpha Futures rules better. In terms of getting payout, I think they have the best rules, yeah. I think they got the best rules. I think they have the best rules. Did I look for longs now? If your model forms and you're bullish, sure, why not? Personally, I think like this session's pretty dead. I'm personally not taking any more trades. I don't see how anything A plus can form. It's bullish right now. Maybe. Yeah, I like top tap. I use top tap as well. I use both. Yeah, I got cooked too. What trade you take? I took both inversion longs. I took both these inversions longs. Both of these inversions long. Tripping. Couldn't find any good entries today, man. Bro, not taking a trade today is probably the best thing you could have done, bro. First leg, so daily high, and the second one to equal highs. That's a what? No, I didn't catch this. There's no entry here for me. CST breaker. It's not a bad trade, but you just have to ask, like, are we even going higher? You can see a CST breaker on the 1 minute, or you can see this bearish fair value gap on the 5 minute. That's going to deliver the equal lows. Like, so it's just hard to say, are we going higher or lower? In my opinion, it's like 50-50. If anything, I say it's going to go lower. If it's not going to go higher from here, I don't see why it would go higher from here, but... Yep, we're going to do market review every day, bro. Now that I'm not sick, every day at 12. Someone go long and let me know. Price action so mid. Yeah, this is tough price action, man. What's your bias? I don't have any. I think it's going to keep ranging until lunch. Range until lunch. How do you trade FOMC? I don't trade FOMC morning. I trade FOMC afternoon. I trade after 2:30. Just look for a continuation at 2:30 is what I do. Took a 1 to 7 from 10.16 on IQ. Nice, bro. Well done. I don't speak that language, bro. I forgot lots of fair trade rate into my live account when short I'm up, I guess. I mean, There's no news tomorrow? No, just yellow folder. Nothing major tomorrow. Do you just not like trading New York Stock Exchange Open? That's what I trade every day, bro. Pretty bad until Wednesday for FOMC? Yeah, possible. You trade clear till the afternoon? No. I already took 2 losses today, so I'm not going to take any more today. Not on the funded, at least. And, yeah, trading, it could be bad. It could be bad until FOMC. It's very possible. Could be very bad until FOMC for sure. Do you have any live accounts? I have a live stock account. Let's see how AMD's doing. Oh, nice. Good day on AMD. But I don't day trade on my live account. I swing trade stocks. Pretty much the same model, to be honest. Only difference is I dollar cost average all my entries. I mean, this looks like it could go higher, man. This looks like it could go higher. Possible. It's the same. Any free backtesting softwares, you can use TradingView, or you can go back in data in TradingView and study. You can use Trader Casa, but it's not really as good. The free ones, like Armalati, they're not that good. This one long or less better than 2.2% of it. Yeah, you're just aiming for too low, bro. That's on you, to be honest. And we don't even know if it's gonna go higher yet, so don't feel like you missed it. Could very well easy just not go higher and just fizzle out. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. To the moon? Possible. It looks pretty bearish still, though. 10-minute civvy there. Yeah, pretty bearish. You're closing this? I would too. Doesn't look too good. We can tape read a short here. if anything. Something like this. Is it 10:30? 10:50. So like something like this could play out. We can watch and just see. How long you been trading? It's been about a year and a half, maybe a little more. Marvel fell off so hard, bro. Do not watch Brave New World. I don't know what that is, bro. Marvel's done. I thought they were done, but I didn't know they were still making movies. Straight up. Straight up. Yes, we took 2 losses today. Free back testing. Yep, that's what I would use. Trader concept. Bullish propulsion block. Could be. Could be a bullish propulsion block. Yes. Phase 1 on Forex. That's good, bro. Good. Can't complain about that. What's the mistake? Buys? Just high resistance conditions. I still think we're going to go to those levels, just not in the time I took the trade, you know? Got the same trade as ICT. Let's see what ICT took. I'm curious now. That's crazy, bro. He called it. What did he say? 1036. Pablo Jimmy, I'm good, bro. How are you, brother? ICT's trade? Telegram, brother. Telegram, my brother. No, we're not up today. Definitely not. We took 2 losses today. Yo, tomorrow will be better? Yeah, we'll see. Maybe tomorrow will be better. 15-second turtle soup, break down the 1-minute FEG. 2 losses already? How? What do you mean, how? 30-second turtle soup, break down the 1 FEG. Yep, that's all good, but hold to the C of the opening range gap. Oh, he sold to the C of opening range gap? That's a good trade, yeah. You blowing your first funded? That's okay, bro. It happens. Sell stop or you win? The setup, I took this inversion. And I took this inversion. The mistake was expecting expansion when it was a day like this. We should have expected expansion like this. We should have looked for a range model, in which case we wait for the macro to take out buy side or sell side. So for example, nothing. There would have been no trade. You blew your alpha futures funded. It happens, bro. It happens. That was the issue, you know. This wasn't really a protraction, because I should have never expected it to expand. Although it formed nicely. No, I wouldn't say you could look for shorts today. In hindsight, you go into the session saying I think this is gonna range. No, that's what you had to do. That's what that's how for me where my model went. Not my model went wrong. Where I went wrong utilizing my model, right? I took setups expecting expansion, but I should not have expected expansion. So we have to make sure we follow that. Took two losses short as well. That's unfortunate, man. It is what it is. How did ICT take this short? I don't know, bro. He's sus. As Iraqi, who would accept my nationality for funded accounts? Are you in Iraq right now, or are you in Canada, or US, or some other country? You're still in Iraq? Funded by traders, I guess, bro. You gotta go to a CFD firm, probably. I'm gonna step away now. One loss, one impulsive trade, which I closed. Nice, bro. You took a trade today? Yeah, we took two losses today, no. Hour longs? Like I said, I wouldn't look for anything till after lunch. See you tomorrow, brother. That's just me, though. Doesn't mean you can't trade. I'm in deep drawdown. Hope that I can make it back to break even tomorrow. I believe in you, bro. Look at the 1000 T. I don't know what that is. You trade FMC today? Yep, I'll trade afternoon session. You just have to look. I don't know all the futures firms and their rules, but you gotta just find one. The precision gap? No. You almost rage full ported? It happens, yeah. Today was definitely a raging day. Definitely a raging day. Did you know? But I'm gonna head out. See you tomorrow. I'm gonna journal my trades. Take care, brother. I lost 2R today. Hope you good. We took two losses as well. 3:50 a.m. 2R minus 2R for me as well. Who's your barber? My best friend, barber. 3:50 a.m. We're a good setup. S&P, FAG, etc. Yep, that was nice. Why is NQ1 not the same as NQ? There's always gonna be little differences. Always gonna be little differences. How much for a trim? Yeah, he charges 50, but obviously for me, he does for free. I make 1.5K. Nice, bro. What makes called Caddy? That's funny as hell, bro. He might give you 10% off, bro. That short looks nice. Maybe. Zero trades today. Hard as fuck to read. That's the best thing you could have done, bro. Well done. Well done. No, I didn't take a third trade. Like two trades is enough for me. Otherwise, I'll go full on tilt. Full on tilt. Well, giveaway winners are going to be announced in 10 minutes. So good luck with that if you guys entered. That could be fun. That could be fun. Is there a noise behind me? Draw a trend on the 10-15 highs? No, thank you, brother. I'll never draw a trend line. You'll never see me draw a trend line. Well, it looks pretty done. I think we'll take out those lows after all. Not an easy day, but nonetheless, it's hard to avoid. But Monday FOMC, right? Monday FOMC. Can't complain too much. If you're in the Discord, good luck on the giveaway. If you entered, make sure you follow 3 rules, otherwise the account will not be given to you. I appreciate everyone coming through. I will be live again tomorrow. Hopefully we can win tomorrow. But overall, we followed the rules. We managed our risk good. For 2 losses, only down 2R. That's exactly what I want to do when I lose. We didn't break any rules. Only thing that we did wrong really was expected expansion. We should have been expecting a range. And that's it. No, there was no PO3 trades today. Besides range PO3, where the candle just ranges from on both sides. So if you look at the candle for my PO3 model, this is what it looks like right now, just a large wick. So, and that's what it is, you know. Anyways, I appreciate everyone coming through. I'll see you guys live tomorrow, exact same time, and take the rest of the day off the charts. Not even gonna risk it. Lunch will probably deliver some sort of move higher if I had to predict, but I'm not gonna trade it. What's my strategy? I call my strategy gems. Appreciate everyone coming through. I'll see you guys live tomorrow, exact same time. If you have any questions, ask me in the Discord. If you want to join the giveaway before it's too late, you have about 10 minutes. And I'll see you guys then. Peace, 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 peace. Peace, 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 peace.